In online courses at Penn Nursing, quizzes are administered through the Canvas LMS. To access the quizzing function, press Quizzes on the sidebar here. To add a new quiz, simply click the blue quiz icon. First, you'll have to name your quiz. Then, you'll type a quick description so students are aware of any necessary instructions or side notes prior to taking the quiz. Then, choose your quiz type. So the quiz can be labeled as practice, meaning it's not graded, or a graded quiz that syncs directly with the gradebook. Additionally, the quiz can be a graded or ungraded survey. With a survey, there are many possible answers, and you don't have the ability as an instructor to choose a correct answer as you would in a normal graded quiz. Next, you'll place it into an assignment group. So as shown in an earlier video in this series, your assignment groups are labeled and allotted percentages according to your class assignment descriptions on the syllabus. So for now, we'll just put this in my quizzes assignment group. You also have the option to shuffle the answers. You can set a time limit, or you can allow multiple attempts. Next, you'll see a section for quiz responses and correct answers. So if you'd like for the students to submit the quiz and immediately see whether or not they got a question wrong, you can check this box. If you leave only this box checked and not anything else, then students will only see an indication marker if the answer is wrong. However, if you also check the box to let them see the correct answers, they will see both correct and incorrect responses. If you'd like for them to see correct answers, but only after everyone has finished taking the exam, you can set a particular time for the correct answers to show. So you could set it for after the quiz is closed. And then hide it again if you would like. Some professors also choose to show one question at a time. So leaving this unchecked will allow students to scroll down the entire page to view all the questions at once, rather than having to hit previous and next each time they'd like to return to an earlier question. Most people will opt to have all the questions visible on one page. You can also require an access code that students will have to enter before taking the quiz. This is typically utilized when instructors also incorporate Respondus Lockdown Browser, and this will be highlighted in a future video. So just like any assignment in Canvas, you can set one single due date, assign available and until dates, or enter information in all three. You can also assign the quiz to the entire class, or you can add specific dates and times for specific students. So for example, if you need a student to take a quiz early, you can open the quiz to this student only using this feature. This concludes the details sections of the quiz, and in the next video we'll get into the specifics of each quiz question option.